And as soon as I saw this tile, I knew it was exactly what I wanted. I'm Jeffrey Neve, and I'm with Jeffrey Neve Interior Design. And today we are in my bedroom here at the San Francisco Decorator Showcase House. The formula was to do something that I don't usually get to do. So not a lot of my work is like reflective of something like this that's like really traditional. I thought it would be a really fun way to introduce what I really like. This is what I would prefer, like in my own home. You know, we knew that it was going to be a kid's room, but we wanted it to be something a little more elevated. So it's almost as if the kids have gone off to college and then the designer comes in and gets to do what they want. The room has a lot of personality because it has so many layers to it. And that's one way that you can make your home different than everyone else's. So these pieces, like the beds that you're looking at, are from First Dibs. Those are antiques from the early 1900s. And then we brought in more modern elements like this table from Ironies. So we changed the entrance to the bathroom and created a true Jack and Jill bathroom. I already had a lot of these fabrics in here selected, and I had the wallpaper selected for the bathroom. So I knew I wanted something that would work with the wallpaper and then also a stone that would work with the floor. I also knew that I had a white tub, which is always like a bit of an obstacle when a shower is more fun because you can pick a curb or no curb, you can pick a shower pan. But I feel like with the bathtub, especially for a kid's bath, I don't like a big contrast between the floor and a white tub. So I knew that my background color of the tile needed to be something with white. And as soon as I saw this tile, I knew it was exactly what I wanted. It works perfectly with the wallpaper. It's a geometric, my wallpaper is a little more organic. Yeah, I love it.
What do you think stands out the most as Jeffrey Neve?
Well, I love the plaid ceiling. That would be me for sure, because I think that's an element of surprise and not everyone sees it when they first come into the room. And then I think just overall, there's a lot of textures in this room. That's what people are really responding to. So the wallpaper is really textured. The ceiling is a linen fabric. And then people really are kind of obsessed with the tile floor. Some people have asked if I put it together piece by piece. The grout lines are really tight. You can't really see where it starts and stops. It really is fantastic. So a lot of the comments that I've gotten are like, it feels so warm in here. It's so welcoming. I want to sit here in the window nook and read a book. You know, that kind of comfort.